Rental discharges, which they have to enter into with banks. So this is how you define affordability.
On his part, Chief Executive of Cleaver House Africa, Julius Kofi Menu, disclosed that the project, expected to be completed in 6 years, will create more than 100,000 jobs.
Straighten the technology and the designs for the Nana Addo affordable housing projects, because we're one of the contractors and we contracted to develop 100,000 units within a space of, to deliver this within a space of about 6 years. So this is the technology that is going to deliver the designs that were shown. We estimate that with this 100,000 project, we could create up to about 100,000 direct employment.
The Cleaver House technology is one of the modern technologies globally adopted to boost Ghana's housing sector.
You're watching